This is my friend's tiny bathroom vanity. He lives in a one-bedroom condo in downtown Toronto, and as you would expect, there isn't much storage. Hey, you only have one extra roll of toilet paper. Where do you keep the rest of it? In your laundry room? This is a rental, so we're not going to upgrade the vanity, but he did want to improve the organization and the storage. And that's what we did with a quick trip to Ikea and Bed Bath & Beyond. My friend has a tiny bathroom vanity. Really, one of the smallest I've seen in a very long time. And he's run out of storage space, so he called me and said he wants to try to improve what he has so that he can squeeze more into it. So this is it. This is my friend's washroom. I'm gonna do my best to film in here, but obviously the conditions are a bit challenging. The lighting is not the best, and I'm already using Canon's widest lens that they make. So I'm gonna try to capture it all in here. But this is the vanity. It's 22 inches long. There's not much more storage in this washroom besides this shelf up on the wall. So we have to make the most of the vanity that we got. Let me show you what's inside. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's cleaners, body wash, shampoo, mouthwash, toilet paper. If at all possible, we want to get some of the essentials back in here, like all the toilet paper. The toilet paper, as you know, currently is in the laundry room. We want to try to get this blow dryer. My friend says this is a daily item, so we want it more accessible, easier to reach, easier to put away. We want to probably reduce a lot of the things in here. I see a lot of redundancy and a lot of empty bottles. What's this bottle? It's like 80% air, but it takes up so much space in your cabinet. We did a really quick inventory of whatever he already had in there. And I did my best to try to encourage him to throw away a lot of the things that he wasn't really going to use, or just things that took up a lot of space. For example, the bottles that are mostly empty. Those take up so much space just so that it can contain air. It's practically empty. This is practically empty too. It's leaking. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. You have Old Dutch bathroom cleaner and you have Vim bathroom cleaner. We don't need both. This one's almost empty. Use it next time, throw it out. We have this toilet bowl cleaner and we have Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. This one's almost empty as well. Use it next time, throw it out. This one is leaking, throw it out. These wipes, this was left empty for so long that they're dry. Garbage as well. The refill bottles, not used very frequently, hide them in the back. There's a ton of soaps and shampoos and conditioners. We'll try to get them on the right side, some sort of two-tier shelf I think would be perfect. And if at all possible, we'll see if there's a pegboard that will fit on the left side, and we'll try to put your cleaning products there. I like to separate cleaning products from all the body wash and mouthwash, so there's low likelihood of you ever grabbing for the wrong bottle. And we'll try to hang this from the pegboard. Ideally, we would have a holster for it right on the back of the door, but I don't know where to get a holster like that. So we'll try to make it work on the pegboard. What do you think? Just a really quick tip. To save your time, try to have a game plan for what you want on the pegboard before you even go to Ikea, because it'll save you countless hours just standing there thinking up all the different possibilities. Okay, what do you think about the cleaning products in here? And then for the blow dryer, something like that? Or if you want, like that. We left Ikea feeling pretty good. We got everything we wanted. The problem was the two-tier shelf. That was very specific, and the measurements we needed were very specific too. And we just couldn't find it anywhere. So we ended up coming back to his condo and searching online. Hey, I found one at Bed Bath & Beyond. I think it's pretty good. It's two-tier. It's less than 9 inches wide, so it's not going to hit the P-trap. And it's under budget. I think we should go for it. Once we had everything in hand, we were ready to roughly put things in place, just to see if we were happy with the arrangement before we started drilling the holes. Okay, so let's do the refill bottles first. We'll slide them in the very back because you probably won't use these very much. Next, let's get this out of the way. Okay. The two-tier shelf. Looks pretty good, except I think this one probably goes up here. Let's put it in. Let's see how it feels. I have my light in there still, but we'll take it out later. It's not bad. It slides pretty good. Okay. What do you think? We'll put the shampoo like this. Maybe these bottles here like that. This is your everyday item, right? Mm-hmm. Put this in the back. We actually have so much space now still. That's perfect. And then we'll get the pegboard. Let's just make sure it fits before we open it. Yeah, it fits. Actually, before we actually screw it in, let's just make sure we're happy with everything. So we're thinking blow dryer on this. Up top somewhere? Yep. Something like this? Yeah? And then something like this for the bottles? Or can this fit like this way? No. Okay. So we'll hang this bottle here. So with the pegboard on the left, we still have all this space in the middle. I think we can, yeah, it's perfect. We'll reuse the tray here for the toilet paper. All right, let's do it. Let's assemble. All right, so what do you think? We have your regular use items like your mouthwash, easy reach. We have the blow dryer right at the very top, nice and easy to grab. But we also got all your toilet paper out of the laundry room and in the washroom where it belongs. What do you think? I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, this really came in well under budget, and we only really drilled 2 holes in this vanity. Otherwise, nothing was permanent. So it's kind of the perfect renter solution.